I know the day you got that visa, you felt like you had won a Grammy award. You immediately ordered hoodie cohort set, bought matching sneakers, and if you didn't already have, you bought new luggages. When you got to the airport, you took a bunch of pictures for the gram, posted Snapchat updates with tags like new beginning, soft live loading. But in the midst of all the hype, nobody really sits you down to explain what it actually means to be an African immigrant abroad. The pressure, the responsibility, the silent expectations. Let's not even talk about the currency conversion in your head 24/7. Even if they did, most of us will not like the advice. We will term it bad belle or jealousy. As someone who has experienced a fair amount of life abroad and in Nigeria, today I'll be sharing 5 things you must never forget as an African immigrant abroad if you want to survive and actually thrive. Don't skip number 3 because that one is specifically for our people. Hey y'all, Chantel here. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantel Nation. For those who are seeing me for the first time, I'm the curator of this channel, like you did not already know. Thank you all so much for clicking to watch today's video. Thank you, and thank you so much. Number 1. Remember why you left. More often than not, when most people land abroad, they get distracted and deviate from the main reason why they left. They start partying, buying things, just living a carefree life. And after 6 months, life starts to humble you. Winter hits, bills hit, taxes hit, loneliness hits. The person you may be staying with stops treating you like a visitor, and then frustration just starts to set in. All of a sudden, it's like the algorithm listens to your inner thoughts and you start seeing videos like abroad life is overrated, or maybe the country I relocated from is not that bad. Be it Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon, South Africa, etc. Sometimes you even start pricing tickets back home just out of frustration. That is why you must constantly remind yourself why you left. Was it for better opportunities? Was it to support family? Was it to escape economic instability? Was it to build generational wealth? Only your why will keep you disciplined. When your mates are flexing, traveling, partying, living soft life, and you're there working double shifts or odd jobs, please remember your why and stick to it. A lot of you did not just leave Nigeria or any African country for the sake of living. You had your why, and that why should never depart from your head, from your soul, from your body, from your mind, wherever. Number 2, do not let abroad packaging put you in debt. The biggest trap African immigrants fall into is trying to look successful too quickly. Designer bags on credit, the latest phone on payment plan, car that they cannot comfortably afford, and an apartment that swallows 70% of their income. Why? Explain to me why. Is it because you need people back home to assume that you are rich? If you did not already know, let me tell you, abroad poverty is real and brutal. Nobody will beg for you. Nobody will give you transport. You know how in African countries, I'm using Nigeria as an example here, where people just randomly give you money for no reason at all. Abroad is a different ball game. They're even looking for a way to take the one that you have. You miss your rent, problem, your things are thrown out of the house. So instead of packaging for Instagram, start building quietly. Build your credit, save aggressively, and live slightly below your means. You do not need to prove anything to anybody. Number 3. Support home, but do it smartly. As Africans abroad, remember that you did not relocate alone. Even though physically it looks like it, but in the real sense, you relocated with your family. You relocated with school fees, hospital bills, urgent 20,000 naira every now and then, and even random cousins remembering that you finally exist because you're abroad. Coupled with you that is trying to survive. You need to pay your own bills, but you also need to support home. The key is not to disconnect, but please do not destroy yourself either. Create a system, budget what you can realistically send monthly, and please stop losing money to expensive transfer platforms. If you're in the US, UK, or Europe, I personally recommend using Sendwave. Sendwave allows you to send money directly to African bank accounts quickly and securely without any unnecessary transfer stress. I have a video that shows the full process. We'll have it linked in my description box as well as in my cards right here, right now. Use my code Chantel10 when you register to get $10, £10 or €10 on your first transfer of over $10, £10 or €10. If you're going to send money home, at least let it be efficient. Supporting family should not mean sacrificing your financial future. Be generous, but please be structured too. Number 4, find community, or you will feel lonely. Loneliness abroad is on another level. It's a different ball game. You can go weeks or even months without seeing someone that truly understands you. There's no random gist outside. There's no neighbor knocking to check on you. Sometimes they have, but it's very unlikely to happen. No invite to come and eat rice. Just work, back home, and repeat the same cycle. If you do not intentionally build community, depression can quietly creep in. Even as a visitor, I get depressed sometimes when I visit abroad. Talk more of you that is residing there. That depression is next level. Oh. Find your African church communities, diaspora groups, professional networks, even gym friends. And please, make friends outside your nationality too. Do not carry your village solidarity movement to another man's country and say, oh, no, all my friends have to be Igbo. All my friends have to be Cameroon. All my friends have to be Ghanaians. Nah. Have friends from other races and other countries. Balance is key with this one. Some people might not be open to exploring that for the fear of finding wrong friends, but we all know that wrong friends can be found in every circle, even if they are from your village. Community opens doors, it gives referrals, and even job opportunities. Do not isolate yourself thinking you are focused. Everybody needs somebody. Number 5. Invest. A lot of Africans are earning in dollars, pounds, even euro, but they have nothing building in the background. They have nothing to show for it. Every month, bills, send money home, rinse and repeat. But what is growing for you? Nothing. Are you investing? Are you saving intentionally? Are you learning about stocks? Are you building or purchasing a home? Are you building a business? Or even growing a digital skill? One day you will ask yourself, am I staying abroad forever, or am I moving home? Or am I even moving to another country? When that time comes, your investment will determine your freedom. Don't just earn foreign currency. Turn them, recycle them into assets. You can start small and grow it over time. P.S. Ajo or contribution does not fall under investment in my books. Investment should yield equity after a certain period of time. And Ajo doesn't do that. Ajo is just your money coming back to you with other people. At the end of the day, you're still going to pay that same amount. Yeah, if you know, you know. A bonus point, or would I call it number 6, please protect your mental health. Not a lot of people talk about the silent mental pressure that comes from living abroad. The guilt of leaving family, the pressure to succeed fast, the comparison, you're abroad, so you should be doing better comments. It's okay to struggle at first. It's okay to move at your own pace. And it's definitely okay to not have everything figured out. You moved for growth, not perfection or instant success. So please give yourself grace and walk at your own pace. If you're an African immigrant watching this, comment, I didn't leave my country to impress. I left to build. That should be a daily reminder for you. And if you need a reliable way to send money back home without unnecessary stress, use Sendwave and my code Chantel10 when you register to get $10, £10 or €10 free credit on your first transfer over $10, £10 or €10. If you watch up until this point, thanks a ton. I'm so grateful. If you enjoyed watching or you got value from it, signify by giving the video a thumbs up, sharing it with someone who needs this reminder, and joining Chantel Nation family by subscribing. Also, not forgetting to leave a comment as well. In my description box, I've left a direct link to Sendwave and all the details you may need to make your transaction so seamless. Thank you so much to Sendwave for sponsoring today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Until I come your way again, don't forget to stay amazing. Bye y'all.
Do what she gotta do. Always what got a crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. This Chantel, I you.